expected, Champs 2026 delivered. Performances were off the charts. But outside of the sprints and the runs and the jumps and the throws, the crowds at Champs seem to be shrinking, with Saturday as an exception. For the most part, the stadium was 3/4 empty. I mean, some years ago, the 100-meter finals were moved from Friday to Wednesday. We assume to attract a bigger midweek crowd. It has not worked. The midweek crowds continue to be mager, to the extent that Issa had to drop the prices of the tickets. This is concerning. Plus, of the crowd that was there, half of them are adults. We have to be careful we don't over-commercialize Champs to the extent that the very students who attend the participating schools cannot afford to pay to go into the stadium and cheer on their friends and their classmates, which in and of itself is the cornerstone on which boys and girls Champs were built. Check it.